Hey everybody, Mike here from the Focus Garage bringing you another motorcycle related video. Today I'm going to be covering these soft leather saddlebags with a kind of universal fit style bracket. Now I am running these on a 2009 Sportster, however these are pretty universal to any bike that's got some kind of frame mechanism or belt guard or anything that you can mount these to. With that being said, they do not come with a bracket, so you will have to figure that out yourself. Now I have one installed and one off the bike. So I'm going to kind of use the one that's uninstalled to show you how it all works, what it functions like, everything like that. Now, where I bought these from, they do give you a really nice kind of layout of the overall size of the bag so you know what you're getting into and how big it is. For reference, kind of there's my hand there. So these bags are relatively small. You're not going to be putting anything large in it, but they should do the trick. So, it opens up here. You've got your two little flaps here. Check that out. And then it is just secured with the single buckle style clip here. Nothing crazy. You can go ahead and squeeze probably a water bottle or something like that in there and it's going to work. Each of these bags comes with 3 buckles to go ahead and mount these to your motorcycle. The way these work is you put them through the back here. So essentially, you to run from the outside or from the inside out, you to run this strap through. You put it through the bike and then run it back in here and you essentially just clasp it together. Now, it's going to be different on every single motorcycle how you want to mount these. I did find it much easier to mount on the left-hand side of the motorcycle, so, away from the belt drive and everything like that, where you just don't have as many things for it to interfere with. However, even on the opposite side here where you've got the exhaust and the belt, you just kind of got to be careful. Make sure that, it's not going to be touching the exhaust so it doesn't melt. I do have it kind of touching the shock a little bit here, but, again, not a huge deal because it's not going to get caught up in the spring coils themselves. It sits far enough away from it. One thing that I would want to mention, be careful if you do ride 2 up because it is going to have kind of clearancing issues with your passenger foot pegs. On this side, not so much, but again, on the left side of my motorcycle, I did have issues with this kind of clearing my passenger side foot peg there. So what you get is essentially 2 of these bags. You get, the one I've got there, and then the other one's on the floor right now, and 3 straps to mount each bag with. Overall, mounting them is very, very easy. You just find something. Obviously, you're not going to mount it to the belt guard like this right here because you'll get snug up on the belt. But, a solid frame piece like this, and you run the strap through the other side, and then just tighten it down on the bag. Go incrementally with it. Make sure that you're not binding on anything. Watch out for brake lines. Watch out for any kind of, belt drive systems, any kind of electrical wires that you don't want to pinch because obviously you don't want to have this get snagged off while you're riding and you don't want to have any kind of issues like that. But it's hit or miss for me. I'm not sure if I am going to keep them on just because, I don't know, I'm not a whole big fan of the way these bags look on smaller motorcycles. I'll try to give you a kind of dead on there. It's strange. You can kind of see a poke out there. Makes the bike look skinnier than it already is. So not sure if I'm a huge fan of that. So, that's something that I am kind of debating back and forth with there. But the quality of the leather, especially for the price that I paid, and link will be in the description down below, is very, very nice. These are kind of a very soft, supple leather. The clasp system is pretty nice here. You can see that, that goes through there. And it's tight. It's not going to go anywhere. I haven't had any kind of defects in mind, so to speak. I mean, the bags are all very, very nice. No cuts, no tears in the leather. The inside is kind of like this more durable type coating. So it's actually, even the back piece of it is a little bit hardened. So you don't really have to worry about, having super fragile items in there. So it's not too bad there. But at the same time, you do get a lot of adjustability the way you want to mount them. Each of the 3 holes has, each of the 3 holes has 3 additional slots. So, you can go higher, you can go lower, and kind of figure out, as far as the mounting system goes, what's going to work best for you and your particular setup. They are directional, I guess you could say, or, side specific. So obviously this bag swings up to the left, and this other bag, obviously if it was level, swings up to the right. So, pay attention to that as you're mounting them on your motorcycle, just to make sure that, it doesn't look goofy or anything like that. And that's pretty much going to cover it for these. Like I said, these were a pretty simple item with, not a whole lot of difficulty with installation or anything like that. If you do want to see like an actual installation guide on the specific things that I strung these to, comment down below and let me know. But it wasn't very difficult. You know, just spend a couple minutes per side looking around. Be smart about it. You know, don't get yourself caught up on anything where, you know, it looks like it's going to interfere. And you're pretty much good to go. So, like I said, I will link these in the description down below. If you do have any questions about them, please let me know. That's going to do it for this one. You know, if you like this video, feel free to give us a thumbs up. And if you have not already, please do subscribe to our channel. It lets us know that we are putting out the primo content. This is Mike from the Focus Garage, and I will catch you in the next one.